Hello, my name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Biology Lights. And this session, we are going to talk about food and diet. State three main ways in which the body uses food. The body uses food, 1, for energy, 2, for growth, and that is making new cells, and 3, repairing or replacing tissues. Fats and carbohydrates both provide the body with dash. But fats can provide dash as much as carbohydrates. Excess fats can be stored in the body, but carbohydrates must be changed into dash or dash before they can be stored. The main types of carbohydrates are dash, dash, and dash. Examples of foods rich in starch are dash and dash. Foods rich in fats are dash and dash. Fill in the missing words. Fats and carbohydrates both provide the body with energy. But fats can provide twice as much as carbohydrates. Excess fats can be stored in the body, but carbohydrates must be changed into glycogen or fat before they can be stored. The main type of carbohydrates are starch, sugar, and cellulose. Examples of food rich in starch are, for example, potatoes and bread. Foods rich in fats are, examples, butter, cheese, or fatty meat. In what form is most carbohydrate taken in the normal diet? Most carbohydrate is taken in as starch. Proteins are made up of about 20 different dash. One example of a plant product rich in protein is dash. An animal product rich in protein is dash. When a protein is digested, it is broken down into its constituent, dash, and these are later built up in the body to make new dash. Excess proteins which are not used for making new cells or tissues are converted to dash, which can be stored or used to provide dash. Fill in the missing words. Proteins are made up of 20 different amino acids. One example of a plant product rich in protein is beans. or we can have wheat or maize. An animal product rich in protein is meat, or we can have eggs or cheese or fish. When a protein is digested, it is broken down into its constituent amino acids, and these are later built up in the body to make new cytoplasm, or cells, or tissues. Excess proteins which are not used for making new cells or tissues are converted to glycogen, which can be stored or used to provide energy. Which of the following are not rich in carbohydrate? Bread, fish, potatoes, beans, meat, lettuce, sugar, biscuits. Fish, meat, and lettuce contain little or no carbohydrates. Carbohydrates contain the elements dash, dash, and dash. Carbohydrates contain the elements carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. Proteins contain these elements, but also dash and dash. Proteins contain these elements, that is, hydrogen, carbon, and oxygen, but also nitrogen and sulfur. Name the amino elements needed by 1. Bones. 2. Red blood cells. 3. The thyroid gland. One, bones need calcium. 2. Red blood cells need iron. And 3. The thyroid gland needs iodine. Which of these elements is 1. Present in milk? B. Lacking in milk? One, milk contains calcium. 2, milk is deficient in iron. State one benefit of including vegetable fibers, those are refuges, in the diet. Vegetable fibers retains water, that is, keeping the feces soft and bulky. prevents constipation, reduces the chance of disease of large intestine. Which vitamin helps to maintain resistance to infectious diseases? Vitamin A, retinol, helps maintain resistance to infectious diseases. Name 2 foods which are a good source of this vitamin. Liver, cheese, butter, margarine, milk, eggs, green vegetables, carrots are good source. Which vitamin is necessary for the proper development of the skeleton? Vitamin D, or what we call cholesterol, is necessary for the healthy development of the skeleton. Name 2 foods which are good source of this vitamin. Butter, milk, cheese, egg yolk, liver, oily fish are good source. A balanced diet must contain enough energy to meet the body's needs. What else must it contain? In addition to sufficient energy, a balanced diet must contain proteins, carbohydrates, and fats in the right proportion, and water, vitamins, mineral salts, and fibers. Could you survive on a diet which contained no carbohydrate? It should be possible to survive without carbohydrate, as energy can be obtained from fats and proteins. Western diets are often unhealthy because they contain too much dash and not enough dash. Western diets are often unhealthy because they contain too much sugar and fats and not enough fiber. How does refrigeration help to stop food from going bad? The low temperature of refrigeration slows down bacterial reproduction and enzyme reactions. Give one method of pasteurization of milk. Pasteurization may involve heating milk to 72 degrees Celsius for 15 seconds or 60 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Name 2 food additives needed to keep food wholesome and say what they do. Preservatives such as sodium nitrite, cured meat, or sulfur dioxide, fruit juice, may be needed to stop bacteria growing in food. Name 2 food additives or types of additives which are not necessary for keeping food wholesome. Artificial coloring and flavoring are not necessary nor additives which simply cause the food to retain more water. Heating a food sample with Benedict's solution is a tasteful. Heating a food sample with Benedict's solution is a taste for sugar. Strictly, it is a taste for a reducing sugar. A test for starch is to add dash solution to the food. A test for starch is to add iodine solution to the food. In the bullet test for protein, dash and dash solutions are added to the sample. A dash color indicates the presence of protein. In the bullet test for proteins, sodium hydroxide and copper sulfate solution are added to the sample. A purple color indicates the presence of proteins. Hello friends, thank you very much for attending to Biology Lights. I encourage you to subscribe.